Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan. You know, loosely used words. Hanky-panky is happening. The government is, got its hand in the till with Adani. So what if 23 complaints found nothing by the Supreme Court? Why, is Hindenburg saying this? Every morning they can sit up, decide which point of Hindenburg they want to pick up, and they can spook the markets. Is this how a responsible opposition should work?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I won't take more than 2.5 minutes, I promise you. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं दो चीजें कहना चाहता हूं आपकी परमिशन. नंबर वन, आई एम द लास्ट वन टू स्पीक. आपकी रोलेक्स काम नहीं कर रही है. 9:40 हो गए. आप सोच रहे होंगे 9:02 हुए हैं. और नंबर टू, मैं ये विवेक अदानी को गाली दे रहे हैं, तो मैं ये जरा सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करना चाहता हूं अपने कम्युनिस्ट कॉमरेड पे जो कि जेएनयू से. ये देखिए, पिछले महीने का अदानी और विवेक जी के गॉडफादर पिनराई विजयन 20,000 करोड़ अदानी ने लगाए केरला में. फास्ट ट्रैक कर रहे हैं वो. ये करप्ट अदानी केरला को पैसे दे रहा है 20,000 करोड़.
हम पैसा लगवाते हैं, देश का पैसा बांटते नहीं है सर.
अरे कुछ करो.
हमने पैसा लगवाया है, पैसा दिया नहीं है. आप तो सरकारी बैंकों का पैसा दे रही है बीजेपी.
और सिकल लाओ थोड़ा सा.
आई डोंट माइंड इट. हम तो 40,000 रहने
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो गया है. सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो गया है. अब विवेक जी थोड़ा सा पानी पिए और आनंद रंगनाथन को सुन ले.
हाँ, पानी पियो, रसगुल्ला खाओ और प्लीज सुन लो. 2 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं लूंगा. नाविका, द इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट far from crashing had an intraday high of 80,000. I guess it has answered Hindenburg and Rahul. I have said this before, let me repeat it. Making sense of Rahul Gandhi is as easy as consuming rasam with chopsticks. He said yesterday, and let me quote him verbatim, quote, there is significant risk in investing in the Indian stock market because the institution that governs it is compromised, unquote. This is the same Rahul Gandhi who has earned 46.5 lakhs in the last 5 months through investments in the same stock market that he says is compromised. If he has any integrity left, he should donate all that 46 lakhs to the Wayanad Disaster Relief Fund. Hedam. Number two, Navika, I view the success or failure of Adani as gravely or as lightly as the success or failure of Reliance or Lehman Brothers or Nokia. What concerns me as an Indian is that my nation's wealth is not wiped out. That the barometer of my nation's prosperity, which is the stock exchange, does not suffer. That millions of my fellow countrymen do not become poorer because the stock of an Indian company in which our government is heavily invested in is wiped out because of a claim. Therefore, it was crucial that an independent Indian agency investigated the entire Hindenburg-Adani issue, and the Supreme Court did. Which brings me finally to point number 3, just 1 minute. When it comes to conflict of interest, Navika, we Indians understand conflict. We Indians understand interest, but I'm afraid we do not understand when separated by a preposition. Here is how I see it. It boils down to the following, less than 30 seconds. Did the SEBI chief disclose to the Supreme Court that 1, she and her husband had invested in an offshore fund that had sworn, risking perjury, that it had never bought Adani bonds or stocks?
She did not. She did not.
Two, that the said fund was run by a man who was on the board of Adani Companies and director of Adani Enterprises. And 3, that the said fund was also invested in by the brother of Gautam Adani and allegedly used for manipulating Adani stocks. If she did, then I don't see any problem, except for the fact that the Supreme Court should also have made this disclosure public, because as the ultimate overseer and regulator and arbiter of justice, it was the Supreme Court's duty to make sure the perception of SEBI in the world's eye is totally above board when it is adjudicating on an alleged malpractice. The Supreme Court is as yet silent on this matter. It should not be.
Let me just say this, and let me just bring this up from 20 years ago. I did a story in my erstwhile earlier newspaper called the Indian Express, and the story was as follows. Vijay Mallya became a Rajya Sabha member of Parliament. In the UPA Sarkar, he was appointed by the UPA Sarkar on the board, on the committee, which is the consultative committee that summons all civil aviation regulators and officials to that meeting to explain while he owned Kingfisher Airways. That was done by the UPA Sarkar. Well, conflict of interest? Well, you know, the Congress certainly is not a party that should give us any sermons on conflict of interest, as I said, because they did what they did. But clearly on this issue, if anybody has any questions, wants any investigation, They are free to go to the courts of India rather than sitting, giving statements and spooking the stock markets where 19 crore Indians invest their hard-earned money, and not all of them may be industrialists or politicians. Some of them may be ordinary citizens of India trying to make a share and make their money grow by participating in India's growth story. Don't spook them. The courts are open tomorrow morning and every day this week and the next. We leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1.